Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify collections. Collections are essential for organizing your products, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they need. You have two main options: manual collections, where you handpick each item, or automated collections, which use specific rules to group products. Understanding these types is the first step to an organized and user-friendly online store, enhancing the shopping experience for everyone. To create a manual collection, begin by logging into your Shopify admin and navigating to the Products section, then selecting Collections. Click the Create Collection button and give your new collection a clear, descriptive name. Crucially, choose Manual as the collection type. After saving, you can then individually add each product you wish to include, giving you complete control over its contents. For automated collections, select Automated as the collection type. This powerful feature allows you to define specific conditions that products must meet to be included. You can set rules based on product tags, titles, vendors, or even price points. Decide whether products must meet all conditions or any condition for inclusion. Once set, Shopify automatically adds or removes products as they fit the criteria, saving you significant time. Once your collections are set up, optimize them for both customers and search engines. Add a compelling image and a clear, descriptive text to each collection page. Ensure your collection titles and descriptions are rich with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Finally, integrate your collections into your store's navigation menu, making them easily discoverable. Regularly review and update your collections to keep your store fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.